how to enable and get the dark mode on Gmail PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get the dark mode on Gmail PC in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is so simple. Go to Gmail, as you can see right here. This is the home page. Now go to the top right here and click on this settings option. Now after you click on it, go down until you find this theme option. Now click on view all right here. After you click on it, scroll down until you find the black option right here. Now click on it and click save. As you can see, now I have the dark theme on my Gmail. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later. Thank you so much.